My hair system journey started back in London last year. Was sick of the bald look because I was young. The hair transplant was way too expensive, so the hair system was something I considered, and when I moved to London there was a lot of options there compared to where I was from. Hair pieces are affordable, a great service, very lovely people. Kathy was amazing. My journey started in May last year, so it's almost been a year since I've been wearing hair systems, and I would look back. It's been awesome. Give it a go. You won't look back, trust me. It's incredible, and you can do it yourself if you want, or you can come back here and they'll look after you. So it only takes about an hour and a half to get done, and yeah, trust me, it's really, really good. Honestly, the way they look so real. Everyone should give them a chance, because I did, and look, it's incredible. I feel great. I feel better. And yeah, just look at the results. I'm a new man.